What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jonathan Irizarry, and always we're plugging them in right here. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, the whole bit. We're also gonna have the links in the description box below. But again, welcome guys to another episode of Izzy's Easy Recipes. And easy is what this is, all right? So it's super duper simple. We're just basically doing Greek yogurt, protein, blueberries, and then topping it off with a little bit of some granola. So how we're gonna prepare this is we're gonna add the Greek yogurt into the bowl. We're gonna measure out 200 grams. Again, this number will vary according to whatever amount of protein you need in your specific diet. Same thing with this. We're gonna add 1 scoop of one of the proteins. So we have all 3 flavors here. Guys, make sure you guys pick up some of this collagen 2 ways. Plug in it right here. Check out the discount code JOHN10. Again, we're gonna leave the link in the description box. So we got cinnamon swirl flavor, we got the salted caramel flavor, and we have the chocolate flavor. We're getting rid of these 2. And we're working with the salted caramel today. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, everybody. When you're messing with this, let's go ahead and put the yogurt on there first. And then that way we can literally just scoop out and watch the grams go down or go up. 174, 204. That's enough. That's all right, you know? I'm not gonna trip over a couple grams here, all right? So we're gonna add a little bit of sweetener. We do have sweetener obviously within the protein powder, but we're gonna do a half a scoop of the Sweet and Glow. Once again, we're gonna leave the link in the description box for you guys. What's great about Sweet and Glow, guys, is that it is a sucralose-based sweetener, but it does have collagen building agents added inside of it as well. So there are some added benefits to the product. So simple as that, we got that scoop in there. Let's go ahead and drop a scoop of the salted caramel. So 1 scoop of protein comes out to be 33 grams on the scale. Make sure it's closed. Now we're gonna mix it in. Super easy way to get a good amount of protein in your diet. Very, very easy. And then, I mean, just with this alone, and let's say we just add the Professor Nuts, we're looking at a very low carb, high protein, low fat recipe because we're using fat-free Greek yogurt. And if you guys notice, yeah, you can actually freeze this, like stir it in and freeze it for a little bit, and then it'll kind of densen up, and it can be like an ice cream. But if you can just leave it at this, boom, boom, add this in there. Again, low fat, because this has zero fat in the Greek yogurt, 1 gram of fat in the protein, and we got a low carb, high protein, low fat recipe just there alone. But since I want to throw in some fruits, because we need our daily fruit intake. So these are frozen blueberries, wild blueberries. Boom, all right, here we go. We're gonna zero out the scale again. Add in 20 grams of granola. So that way we're getting different flavor profiles. We got the caramel flavor, got the chocolate granola, and then we're gonna go with the chocolate Professor Nuts. Again, you can go with sea salt caramel, you can go with the regular Professor Nuts or chocolate. I think this is gonna go very well with this. Grab another spoon. And since this is so macro friendly, we can do a full serving, which is 30 grams. They're a little bit over 30 grams. You can be fancy, swirl it around and do all this whatever, but I'm gonna be lame as fuck and just kind of do this. Yeah, bro, look at that. Do you see the magic? Do you see the magic? Like I got a serving on the first go. Boom. I didn't make this pretty at all. I didn't make it pretty at all, guys. Look at this. But it is freaking phenomenal. Taste test. Let's go. I want to get a little bit of crunch, a little blueberry in there, and then we're gonna grab a little bit of that chocolate. So this is kind of like a healthy Nutella. You can't go wrong with this. See this? You see that? Bruh. Done. Money. Mwah. Guys, this took us literally like 2 minutes to prepare. Absolutely no time at all. Once again, recipe will be thrown in through the video. We're gonna have the ebook ready for you guys later on this year, so that way everything will be linked with these videos to the ebook, so you can watch the videos for free. You can also support the channel with purchasing the ebook when the time comes, of course. So take advantage of this, guys. This is absolutely phenomenal. My man Maddie over here, he 100% agrees. It is delicious. So try this out. If you like the video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna be dropping more fire content on a weekly basis. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell. And until next time, everybody, peace out.